then we have the whole interesting conversation of social media and where AI is going to come into play from the purpose of social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, blah blah blah. Now, I suppose this is one thing we've seen it, of course, within the content space, no problem. But where is that going to end up? What journey is that going to take us on? Straight away, you navigate towards, okay, well, these are businesses, right? As is Google. And when you look at, introduction of Project Magi, right? And if you look at, the way that Google uses Google Ads as their primary business model, of course, that AI is going to be going all in on, paid traffic and advertising and things like that. Like it's a model, right? And you look at Facebook, so or any of those platforms, how will the social media platforms use AI in the space of audience targeting, or and anything to do with audiences, like their AI driven, like the demographics, the behavioral insights, their interests, their et cetera, et cetera. So, if you've got a tool that's doing that for you, it takes a lot of the guesswork out of it. And more importantly, it gets it done a lot quicker. So you would like to think, looking forward, that the advertising on these platforms will get better. And what I mean by better is you're going to see less irrelevant shit showing up in your newsfeed, hopefully showing up in your newsfeed. You're probably going to see more stuff relevant to you showing up in the newsfeed, which could be a good or a bad thing, depending on whether you're the type of person that pulls your wallet out and buys stuff all the time. But the point is, it should get better and better, right? So I'd be interested to see how that pans out. Also, you're starting to see a lot of communication-based AI, so things like chatbots. Currently, they're horrendous, but that will hopefully get better and better. The problem is with chatbots at the moment is they're not really AI. Like they're very much based on like what you put in. If they answer this, then tell it this. If they do this, then tell it this, and blah blah blah. Whereas now, like the intelligence is starting to actually be able to come up with answers, which means that it kind of interacts a little bit more in a human way. So that will advance and advance. And it's kind of scary, to be honest. It's kind of like Skynet stuff, but we will see definitely better AI in that space, and that will mean you'll get better engagement, you'll get better customer experience, and hopefully it results in better lead generation and lead capture. Hey, this is Matt Jones, and if you like this clip, make sure you subscribe and check out this just as good clip on my right here. Something tells me you're going to like it.